afternoon, class. How are you guys today?
Good.
Good. That's great. Because today we're going to learn about something super important that we use in science problems all the time. And it's one of my favorite things that we do. We're going to learn about converting units. And first we're going to talk about what converting units is. Then we're going to do a problem together. Then we're going to see what it looks like with this cool example here. And then we're going to cheer to remember it. Sound good?
Yep.
Yeah. Good. Great. So when you think of converting units, what do you think of? Let's talk to each other for just a couple of seconds about what you all think converting units is.
Maybe it's like when you buy a whole pizza, but you get 12 slices.
Yeah, I like that example. So if you have a whole pizza, you have 12 slices, right? But it's still the same thing. Yeah. So an example that I thought of was if you're making pancakes and you need a pint of milk, but you only have measuring cups, how would you measure a pint of milk with measuring cups? That's the kind of problem that we want to solve. So here are the steps to solving a problem. Number 1, start with what you have. Number 2, multiply by the conversion fraction. And number 3, cancel the units that are on top and bottom. So this example right here, we have 500 milliliters, and I want to see how many liters 500 milliliters is. So number 1, I start with what I have, right? And that is 500 milliliters. And what's step number 2, Molly?
Multiply by the conversion fraction.
Yeah. So here are some different conversion fractions. And basically a conversion fraction is when you have the same thing on top and bottom and they equal each other, but they're different units. So I have 12 inches to 1 foot, and here I have 1,000 milliliters to 1 liter. So this is our conversion fraction that we're going to use. So we multiply by the conversion fraction, which is 1 liter to 1,000 milliliters. So when we multiply, we get 500 times 1?
500.
500 on top, and 1 times 1,000?
1,000.
1,000. And what do we get when we cancel our units?
Cancel the milliliters.
Yeah, we cancel the milliliters to get liters, right? And so 500 over 1,000 is the same as what simple fraction?
1/2.
1/2. So we have 1/2 of a liter, right? Okay, let's see if that actually is what happens when we do this example. So here we have 500 milliliters, and here we have 1 liter. So we're going to pour these 500 milliliters, into here and see what that looks like. So this point right here is 1/2 of a liter. And that's what we got, right?
Yeah.
Sweet! We did it! Okay, now we have our cheer. So let's stand on up. And we're going to do this cheer that is a repeat after me style song. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. It requires hand motions. Okay. There was a great big moose.
There was a great big moose.
And he had a cup of juice.
And he had a cup of juice.
He said, "How many quarts do I have?"
He said, "How many quarts do I have?"
So he multiplied by the conversion fraction.
So he multiplied by the conversion fraction.
And he canceled his units.
And he canceled his units.
And then he found the answer.
And then he found the answer.
Singing whoa.
Singing whoa.
Way-oh, 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 way-oh.
Way-oh, 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 way-oh.
Way-oh, way-oh.